Getting yet another breaking input now. Supreme Court is all set to hear Mahua Moitra's plea challenging the expulsion from the Parliament. These are the latest inputs that we are getting in, that Supreme Court will today hear Mahua Moitra's plea challenging expulsion from the Parliament. Moitra's plea against her expulsion from Lok Sabha for her links in cash for query case will be heard today by the Supreme Court. So these are the latest inputs that we are getting in. Ananya continues to stay with us on the broadcast. Ananya, what more details do we have and what should we be expecting today from this hearing?
Well, definitely the matter is listed before a bench headed by Justice Sanjeev Khanna and Justice S.V.N. Bhatti at almost around item 48. And definitely, this is a big move coming in from Mahua Moitra when she challenged, in fact, her expulsion from the Parliament. Remember that there is a very, very narrow scope when it comes to the judicial review of, parliamentary orders. And the Supreme Court has time and again clarified that, only and only if there is arbitrariness in the orders that have been passed by the Parliament, then only the Supreme Court would be intervening. So we'll have to wait and see as to whether or not the Supreme Court actually would want to intervene into this particular issue, because if you go by the past precedent in the Raja Rampal case, very, very categorically the Supreme Court had held, the Parliament has the power to expel a particular member if at all it finds that, there is some kind of a wrongdoing done by them. And the cash for query saga, since the day one when it had exploded by the letter of Jayanand Dehadarai, it had been spewing troubles for Mahua Moitra, final one being that she's been expelled from the Parliament itself.